Hi everybody, we're gonna make a monster cake today.
See this box?
Yeah.
Remember, what's it called? Baketivity.
Baketivity.
By Duff. You see him on TV cooking cakes, right?
Yeah.
They made these boxes for kids to make cakes.
And it's really easy.
Oh, and I forgot it came with a apron and a hat. You want to put it on?
Yeah. Now I got my hat and my apron on. Now let's open the box.
Ooh. It says Duff Baketivity.
Let's open it. Wait, I see some rainbow color. Ooh, it shows the picture of the monster cake.
Yes, that's the monster cake we're gonna bake.
And you can also make some cupcakes.
Oh, cool. So they give you two options.
Yeah.
So we can do the cake or the cupcakes, but we're gonna do the
Cake.
yay.
It has a big eyeball. And it's all blue and sparkly. Have you got this?
Oh, it's all the ingredients now. Yeah.
Well, this is a
See
big
how,
bag.
you see how everything's all packaged already? We just have to throw it all in a bowl and mix it up.
Yeah. That's like easy. There's like 4 of these packages.
Yeah, they're all labeled. So one is the food coloring, the baking soda, the instant coffee, and chocolate. All right, let's lay everything out, and then we'll get to baking.
Yeah. So I got all the stuff ready. Now I'm gonna make.
All right, start putting everything in. Cocoa powder. Next is
Flour.
good job.
And then it's sugar.
Ooh, good.
So now I'm gonna put it at the same time.
Yay.
Yay, it's snowy. It's snowing the bowl. Let's put in the wet.
1 egg. Next is
The milk. Okay. Now the milk is done. Now
last is the
butter.
yay.
Now let's stir it.
Woohoo! Mixy.
Mixy. Oh, look at it. Let's finish mixing it up and then we'll put it in the oven.
Good idea. Oh, it's chocolate cake.
Yeah. Let's get this in the oven.
Woohoo!
Well, the cake is baking. Now we'll make the frosting.
All right, so far we have the softened butter,
Yes, and this.
the confectioner's sugar, and the, what's in your hand, the vanilla.
Vanilla.
All right, let's mix it all up. Ooh, all that butter. What are you doing?
So now we're gonna put in the food coloring. Okay.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Don't know.
Don't know.
That means it's gonna be a purple monster. I thought it was.
Let's see what color it turns.
Yeah. Mix it.
Look how blue you got it.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna frost it. Okay, so let's put some more.
Yeah, that's a lot. Ooh, the frosting looks good. You're so focused, Emma. Ready to put the hair?
Yeah.
Let's see. Squeeze it out. Whoa! lot of hair.
It's gonna have a lot of hair. Hair. Have a lot of hair. My cake. So what do you think of my cake?